There is one month where the gates of paradise are opened. 1 month where the gates of hell are closed. 1 month where the devils are chained. That month is Ramadan. But what makes Ramadan so different from every other month of the year? Why does this month feel different? Why do hearts soften? Why do tears fall more easily? Why do people change? Tonight, we discover why. Ramadan is the month in which the Quran was revealed. Allah chose this month to send His final message to humanity. Think about that. Out of all 12 months, Allah selected Ramadan for revelation. Ramadan is not special because we fast. It is special because the heavens spoke to the earth. The month of Ramadan is that in which the Quran was revealed as guidance for mankind. Guidance for the confused, for the anxious, for the lost, for the searching heart. The Quran is not just a book of rules. It is light in darkness. It is clarity in confusion. It is certainty in doubt. And clear proofs of guidance and criterion. It separates truth from falsehood, right from wrong, light from darkness. In a world full of noise, Ramadan reconnects us to divine clarity. This is why when Ramadan comes, the Quran feels different. It feels alive. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "When Ramadan begins, the gates of paradise are opened, the gates of hell are closed, and the devils are chained." This is not poetry. This is mercy. In Ramadan, good deeds are multiplied. Sins are forgiven. Dua is answered. It is as if Allah is saying, "Come back to me. No matter how far you went, no matter how many mistakes you made, no matter how distant you feel." Ramadan is not a burden. It is an invitation to start again, an invitation to be forgiven, an invitation to return home. For 30 days, you prove something to yourself. You wake up before sunrise. You leave food while it sits in front of you. You leave water while you are thirsty. You control your anger. You guard your tongue. Not because someone is watching you, but because Allah is watching you. O you who believe, fasting is prescribed for you, so that you may become righteous. Ramadan trains the soul. It weakens the nafs. It strengthens discipline. It builds taqwa. And for 1 month, you become stronger than your desires. And then comes a night unlike any other night. Laylatul Qadr is better than 1,000 months. 1,000 months. That is more than 83 years, longer than most human lifetimes. Allah gives you the reward of a lifetime in one single night. The angels and the Spirit descend therein. Imagine that. The skies filled with angels, peace covering the earth, destinies being written, forgiveness being granted. 1 night can change your eternity. And that is why, when Ramadan leaves, people cry. Because for 1 month, we tasted who we were meant to be. More patient, more generous, more disciplined, more connected. For 30 days, we lived closer to Allah. And deep down, we don't want to lose that version of ourselves. Ramadan is not about hunger. It is about awakening. It is not about food. It is about forgiveness. It is not about staying up at night. It is about coming alive spiritually. Ramadan is not just a month. It is a second chance, a reset, a return. So if Allah allows you to witness this Ramadan, do not let it pass like the others. Because 1 Ramadan can change everything. And you may not be guaranteed another.